Hey guys, welcome back to Wonder Machine. Whether we're kids or adults, we're always fascinated by the power, immense size, and intricate hydraulic systems of excavators. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 10 largest mining excavators in the world, showcasing their incredible power and impressive capabilities. Hitachi X5600. Let's kick things off with number 10 on our list, the Hitachi X5600. This powerhouse weighs approximately 533 tons and features a bucket capacity of 30 cubic meters. Powered by dual Cummins engines delivering a combined 3,000 horsepower, it's incredibly efficient for large-scale mining operations. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise control and maximum productivity, even in the toughest conditions. XCMG XE7000. At number 9, we have the XCMG XE7000, the only excavator on our list from a Chinese manufacturer. Weighing in at approximately 672 tons, it boasts a bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters. The XE7000 ensures maximum productivity in large-scale mining operations. This machine is powered by two 1,600 horsepower engines, delivering impressive power and efficiency. The XE7000's advanced hydraulic systems and robust design ensure top performance in challenging mining environments. Liebherr R996B. Next up at number 8, we have the Liebherr R996B. This colossal excavator weighs around 676 tons and boasts a bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters. The R996 is designed flexibly to withstand Arctic conditions of minus 50 degrees Celsius as well as the heat of coal mines in Australia. To meet these requirements, it is equipped with dual Cummins engines with a total power output of 3,000 horsepower. Komatsu PC7000. Coming in at number 7, we have the mighty Komatsu PC7000. The first PC7000 debuted at an Argentine gold mine in early 2019. This impressive excavator weighs around 699 tons and boasts a massive bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters, making it a powerhouse for material handling. With twin 1,675 horsepower engines, it delivers exceptional digging force and efficiency, tackling the toughest mining tasks with ease. Demag H740OS. At number 6, we have the formidable Demag H740OS, built by Komatsu in Canada. This excavator was specifically designed for the abrasive all sands projects of KMC Mining in Canada. Weighing approximately 744 tons and featuring a bucket capacity of 40 cubic meters, the H740 delivers immense power and efficiency. Since its debut in 1999, it has showcased exceptional durability and advanced hydraulic technology, making it a top performer in the toughest mining environments. Komatsu PC8000. At number 5, we have another impressive Japanese entry, the Komatsu PC8000-11. This colossal crawler excavator is produced by Komatsu, Japan's leading construction and mining machinery manufacturer. Weighing over 773 tons, this giant machine requires dual 4,020 horsepower engines to deliver its extraordinary digging force and efficiency. With a bucket capacity of 40 cubic meters, it matches perfectly with 240 to 400 US ton trucks. The Komatsu PC8011 is a massive and complex mining machine that demands high-level operational expertise and regular maintenance. Liebherr R9800. Ranked at number 4, we have the renowned Liebherr R9800. This colossal crawler excavator is manufactured by Liebherr, Germany's leading construction and mining machinery manufacturer. Weighing a staggering 810 tons, equivalent to more than 11 of the world's largest main battle tanks, the M1 Abrams, the R9800 is a true giant in the mining world. Famous for its power, efficiency, and durability, it's often referred to as the Rolls-Royce of excavators, widely used in large-scale mining and construction projects worldwide. Hitachi X8000. At number 3, we present the largest machine from a Japanese brand on our list, the Hitachi X8000. Japan truly is a powerhouse in manufacturing heavy industrial machinery, with 5 entries on our list. The Hitachi X8000 weighs a colossal 825 tons, which is double the weight of a fully loaded Boeing 747. Standing 10 meters tall, 8 meters wide, and with a ground clearance of 1.2 meters, the X8000 looks like a 3-story building on the move. To start and operate this massive machine smoothly, it requires Cummins QSK19 C16-cylinder diesel engines with turbochargers, providing a total output of 2,880 horsepower. Bucyrus RH400. Next on our list, taking the second spot, is the Bucyrus RH400, now owned by Caterpillar. Previously known as the Terex RH400, this colossal crawler excavator was manufactured by Bucyrus International, an American company specializing in heavy mining machinery. Introduced in 1997, the RH400 was once the largest excavator in the world, renowned for its incredible power and efficiency. Weighing 980 tons, equivalent to 1,500 cars, it truly is a giant, requiring the QSK60C engines with a total output of 4,500 horsepower. Although production of the RH400 has ceased, it remains a legend, having been replaced by newer, more advanced models. Caterpillar 6090 FS. And now, at the pinnacle of our list stands the unmatched Caterpillar 6090 FS, the largest excavator in the world. Weighing an astonishing 1,000 tons, this engineering marvel represents the zenith of excavation technology. Manufactured in the USA, the 6090 is the successor to the Bucyrus RH400, previously the largest hydraulic excavator. Following Caterpillar's acquisition of Bucyrus in 2011 to bolster their mining capabilities. With a massive 50 cubic meter bucket, this colossal machine can fill Cat's largest dump truck in just 4 passes. Powered by 2 Cummins QSK60 diesel engines, it generates a staggering 4,500 horsepower, providing unmatched digging force and operational efficiency. The Caterpillar 6090FS is not only a giant in size, but also a giant in efficiency and performance, setting the benchmark for the industry. Thank you for watching our countdown of the top 10 largest mining excavators in the world. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.